And in this episode, we're gonna talk about why hurricanes suck. And I just wanted to bring you along to one of my Airbnb properties that we have. This is it right here, this house. As you can see, it's on the river. Very nice place, or it was, before Hurricane Laura got a hold of the neighborhood. As you can see, my neighbors over here, this one got destroyed. This one's roof came off. This one got destroyed here. This guy, his whole house is gone inside, and his roof and porch, used to be a big porch that came off right there. My house, pretty untouched, which was amazing. And then of course this neighbor over here, you can see their boathouse destroyed, and they got like 14 inches of water in their house. I was very blessed. A lot of the wood that's in my driveway there came from my neighbor's dock, as you can see over here. I don't know if you can make that out if the sun's too bright, but right over there is a big dock that used to be a dock, and that dock was wound up either floating or flying through the air or what, wound up in my yard, and we had to tear it up and break it apart. And here's some of it right here too. This is part of it, which is pretty crazy. So, yep, I got a dock in my front yard, and I didn't even build it. Pretty crazy. So as you can see, a lot of work out here to be done, a lot of damage. I had some stuff going on the side of my house. As you can see, my whole roof, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to shoot you some aerial shots here of my roof and how it's been torn off. And so we're about to get all that fixed, but it's really crazy out here because there's like nobody out here. Usually there's cars coming up and down the drive, there's neighbors outside, and nobody's out here, nobody's home. It's really eerie. It's a really eerie situation. So the other thing that's kind of crazy is that we have another hurricane on its way here. It hasn't even been, it's probably been a little bit over a month, and we just got through Hurricane Laura, and we got another one coming, another Category 4. Hurricane Laura was a Category 4. So they're talking 140 mile an hour winds, so it just really sucks. So I don't know, I just felt like making a video kind of about just how much hurricanes suck. It's really all there is to it. Yeah, this guy's had their house for sale actually, and that place just got annihilated. So it's a piece of my roof. As you can see up here, I don't know if you saw in my other video where the piece of wood went through my wall. Actually there, and then two pieces of wood shot through my ceiling. Those pieces of wood, I don't even know where they came from. I'm sure from that dock. But again, the damage that I sustained is pretty minimal compared to my poor neighbors. As you can see what their houses look like. So, but I'm gonna take you inside and let you look at kind of what we've been doing in there, and just kind of give you a little look-see. All right, let's go in. So I got to show you this real quick. Look at my air conditioner. It's like hanging on by a thread. Probably not real safe to walk underneath this thing. All right. So let's take a quick look around. This is a wall that we have been working on here. Got it all fixed, got the sheetrock fixed, got all the all the sheetrock was just like, I guess the sheer force of the wind pushing against the house was just tremendous. So a lot of the nails popped out and a lot of the baseboards just popped out and everything. So we got it looking good again, and pray that the hurricane doesn't come again and mess it all up, because that would suck. So I just wanted to show you another project that we got going on. We got a few houses that we're having to fix up and remodel, and this is just another one of them. So it sucks, but it's some things you got to do sometimes when you own several properties. So, but this place, as I said, is an Airbnb. It rents on the weekends with no problem. In fact, this is my family's camp. So the way I did this deal is I purchased it, and with the intention of using it 2 weekends a month, and then I Airbnb it 2 weekends a month, and that kind of pays for the mortgage, and so I get it for free. But I just don't ever use it. So probably just gonna go ahead and sell it, because honestly, I really don't want to have an Airbnb this expensive, just sitting around Airbnb in it. I mean, we netted $1,000 last month, right before the hurricane, just positive cash flow. And we were really starting to build up our reviews and build up our stuff. So Airbnb is a great way to make money on your property. It's just not something I think I want to do on a property of this expense and this scale. But we love being out here and doing the jet skis. We have little jet ski docks, as you saw down there on the dock. It's pretty cool. And but I'll take you around real quick. This is a living room, kitchen. Of course, it's all messed up because we're remodeling. We got 3 triple bunk bed. Got a little laundry closet in here, bathroom in here. This is the other master bath here. This is the master bedroom, or as we like to call it, the captain's quarters. So yeah, so it is a 3-bedroom. So we'll go down the hallway. This is Crabzilla. Crabzilla! Crabzilla is our favorite painting on the wall that got a little damage during the hurricane. And I can't quite get around here, but this is the 3rd bedroom here. And a 3rd bathroom. This was a 1-bedroom, 2-bath house, technically, and when we bought it, we remodeled it and turned it into a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house. So we added a lot of value to the house in the same square footage just by adding a bathroom and a bedroom. We added a full bath and a bedroom. Actually 2 bedrooms. So, all right, well, that's this place. And like I said, it's pretty sad that this awesome part of our city got cacked on by Hurricane Laura. Well, I just wanted to share with you my frustration on hurricanes. Why I hate hurricanes. Really suck. All right, well, this is Mike. I just want to make a quick video, say hello to you guys, and just let you know how frustrated I am with this hurricane stuff. But you know what? It's all going to be good. Hopefully, God will send the hurricane to Canada or something like that. I don't know. I'm just joking. For all my Canadian friends, I'm just joking. The house kind of got spared in the midst of all these other neighbors whose houses got massively destroyed. I guess maybe someone upstairs likes me a little bit. I don't know. I would love for you to subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can get more videos when they come around. And hey, we'll catch you on another video later.